you doing today?
I'm doing well.
Right. How was your morning today?
Today busy.
Busy. Fair enough, as always, I think.
Yeah,
Nothing special about that, right? Fair
all
enough.
day will be busy today because guests are coming for dinner today.
Oh,
That's why.
oh, that's a lot of preparation and cleaning and everything that you need to do.
Yeah, and big thing is uh, uh, we have to decide what to make today or what to cook today for dinner.
That makes sense. I would agree with that because it's hard to decide. Like you can't ask the guests directly what you want to eat.
Yeah,
So you have to just guess and make something nice and just hope that everyone else likes it too. So
right.
that's that. But that's kind of a difficult job. I hate like when guests are about to come and you have to do that extra amount of cleaning. That's
Yeah,
the only problem. Like we clean the house every day, but then when guests are coming, it's like no, no, clean everything. Even
yes,
one speck
everything.
of dirt should not be there. So
Yeah.
that gets a little annoying because then my mother puts me on that dusting duty, and I hate dusting. So that's the only problematic part. Other than that, I'm fine with the guests coming over. So
Yeah.
that's that. Makes
So
sense.
my day is going to be busy,
Extremely busy, I would say.
extreme. Yeah.
But fair enough. I think you'll be fine with it. Because I feel like, I don't know, after women are just good with the cleaning stuff. Like you can't drop this on men. They're like, no, saaf hi to hai. And I'm like, no, it's not clean. Clean is
Yeah.
not clean. So yeah, that's that. But so are you the only one doing all the preparation or everyone is going to help you around so it will be okay?
Uh, no one, yeah, housekeeping. My maid will help me for cleaning and for cooking. I am the only one.
Oh man, that's going to take a lot of time.
Yeah.
But fair enough. So have you decided already what you want to cook or still in process of it?
Uh, Half of the menu I have decided, but still in my mind, what should I make more or what can I add to it?
Yeah, because when guests are coming, like you have to prepare like a full three-course meal, like the
Yeah.
appetizer, then the main course, then the dessert also.
Yeah.
So that's that. Desserts take the most time. Like if you're making any Indian type of dessert, that takes a lot of time to make. So
Yeah.
that's that. That's why I prefer ice cream. I'm like just keep ice cream. It is so easy. Just you have to buy from the market and give it. Doesn't take any time. So
I was
that's
also thinking about ice cream.
yeah, it saves a lot of time. So
Yeah.
that's that. But fine. Okay, before I proceed, any doubts or questions today?
No, as you know, I haven't prepared anything.
That's fine. I think today also you won't get a chance to do it because after the session, I'm assuming you will be busy in the rest of the day
Yeah,
just working, working, working. So
right.
that makes sense. Fair enough. Right, okay. Okay, let's skip to our topic for today. Our topic for today is a little weird. So in case you don't like it, you can let me know. The topic is recalling a funny incident, right? So do you have any funny
Last?
incident? Recalling a funny incident. That's the
Okay.
topic, right? So first of all, do you have any funny stories that you and your friends share? Like from your childhood, teenage, could be from any time.
There are stories, but I don't remember properly, but I will think about it. I can recall that.
Hmm. Okay. So what's that one story that you and your friends still remember and still sometimes in conversation it comes up?
Hmm. It's with my family, it's not with my friends.
Okay.
So, uh, as you know, how Indians celebrate Holi.
Yeah. Very
And
well.
with Bhabi and Devar, there are different kind of connection,
Yeah.
and they celebrate very badly. And
True. I've
so,
seen that happening.
I think uh, 7 or 8 years ago,
Hmm.
my aunt, my
Mhm.
chachi, and my uncles.
Mhm.
So uh, before uh,
अच्छा
before
कार लगाती तब नहीं मिलती है
Holi,
Mhm.
a night before Holi, sorry, a night before Holi.
Okay.
My all uncles are were sleeping on the
Okay.
rooftop. Okay,
All
so
right.
me and my aunt and my friend, we went on the roof, and she made a paste with oil and kajal,
Okay. Got it.
and she made funny faces on funny what can we use
Drawings. Drawings.
drawing
Yeah.
funny drawing on their faces, like some beard and mustache, some kind of they all were looking very funny, and they have no idea how. So, and at the holiday, like at the morning, one
Right. Okay.
one of them woke up, and he was he was
Like with all the
laughing.
drawings. Okay.
He was laughing, looking at everyone like, what is this? He has no idea. He on
He
his
is
face
also
also
a
drawings.
God. That is
He
hilarious.
So everyone woke up, and we shut the door of terrace, so they can't
That makes sense.
came down. Okay, so they all are screaming, "Open the door! Open the door! What did you do with us?" So
That makes sense.
we had so much fun at looking at them, and everyone was so
My God,
it
that's
was
an
very
incident I would
hilarious.
remember. Yeah, it is hilarious because see stuff like this I've seen in serials and movies. I've
Yeah.
never seen it happening in real life where people are like, that we'll draw faces on everyone and everything like that. So that
And
is kind of
after
funny.
they came down, they took my aunt to the bathroom area, and everyone one uncle is holding her, and the other are uh, pouring bucket and putting on her head, like she, with
My
color and
God.
everything. It
Oh
was very
God.
hilarious.
Dude, Holi in India is like, such a festival. And I hate
Yeah.
it when people use pakka colors because then
Yeah.
after Holi, you can see we have celebrated Holi. Like somebody has a pink patch around their ear, somebody has it on their neck, somebody's eye, one eye is just green and the rest of the face is fine. So it's very funny the way we celebrate Holi. So that's that. Like nowadays, I think I've seen it a little reduced. People just simply use
Yeah.
gular and all. But when I was younger, people were crazy about it. Like everyone was using pakka colors and different types of colors and all. So that used to
Yeah,
be very
in my childhood, I spent my childhood in rural area. So
Hmm.
in my childhood, people used to play a drama before Holi. It started
Oh,
1 month ago. Every day, they make fun of other villagers. They took anyone's uh, character and they play at everyone. So it
oh,
was also hilarious for us. Yeah,
that
it's
is
fun.
so nice. That's a nice way to spend the entire month. Like I think activities like this make you really excited for the actual festival. So
Yeah.
like I think after the corona period, the craze has sort of died down a little. People are not that excited now. But when I was younger, I used to see all these things happening, and it used to be super exciting. Like we used to get like 1 month before only, we used to start throwing balloons on other people and everything. And we used to get
Yeah.
scolded that Holi is 1 month away. Why are you throwing balloons at people right now? So
Yeah.
yeah.
Nowadays, in my village, there is no drama, nothing, because everyone went out for their work and all. So that's why.
Yeah, and I think people have gotten busier. Even like I don't see the young kids play it that way. When we were younger, at least the kids used to be very excited. But
Yeah.
nowadays, I don't see the kids being so excited either. Like the kids are just like okay with it. They're like, yeah, it's holy, it's fine. They will celebrate it on that day, but they are not excited like we used to be.
Yeah.
So that's it. But it's fine. I mean, it's been years, so I can understand why it's dying down. People are more busy in their phones and all. Nowadays, it's more about
We
wishing
didn't
everything on
have
WhatsApp.
headphones. That's why we spend our lives like with fun, with friends, with
Yeah,
you. I
true.
feel like we should not give mobile phones to kids,
So young, yeah.
young age, I don't want to. They
I mean,
can't.
nowadays,
I
8
feel
class,
that I don't know they feel or not. They can't feel. They don't experience that life, so
they
they have
don't.
no idea. But I
Right.
feel they are missing something.
I
They are
always
missing
feel that.
memories. Um,
True.
you
I
know.
mean, they're like barely what there are like I have seen 7-year-old kids having an iPhone and things like that. So if you're already in your gadget so much, I'm not saying it's entirely wrong. I understand now the technology has advanced, so it's necessary, but it shouldn't be so much that the physical development stops. You know,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
that sort of a thing. Like my nephew, I see my nephew always on his tablet and everything, and the parents also, I mean, don't have a choice. They are busy with their work, so how much can they focus on it? So that is another reason I think maybe. But it's
Yeah.
very sad because these kids are not enjoying the life we did. So
Yeah.
that is it. That's for
We
sure.
did very well.
We did. I mean, we like I got phone like very late. I think in comparison to these kids, very late. I got my first phone around class 10th when I started to go to tuition. So my parents gave me that button phone just to sort
Yeah.
of keep a track. Other than that, I
Yeah.
had computer at my home, but computer was like not something you can carry with you, and you
Yeah.
can't sit on computer all day. So I would use it for 1 hour at max and then just give up. But these kids, they have their phones and everything in their hand all day. So that's that. Makes sense. So fair enough. Any other incident like that that you remember from like Holi or something like that? Because I think Holi is like a eventful thing in Indian households. So that's
I
it.
don't remember, but there are so many moments with friends, but I don't remember the one. And like I can't recall now.
Right. Has there been any embarrassing incident about which people still tease you? Like maybe you did
Oh,
something embarrassing and they still tease you about it.
I was in I was going for my exam, like
Hmm.
second year exam, and in my ID or what we call that
Admit card?
schedule.
Oh, schedule. Yeah.
So schedule for there is 28th April
Okay.
date,
Right.
and I don't know how I seen it 26th April, and I went to the college and I was sitting on my
On the
seat.
desk.
And and teacher came to me. So it's not your seat. She gave me the paper, and I was like, what?
What is
It's
this
not my
paper?
paper. So she was, for what you are coming, you came here. So I told him I came to for Hindi Sahitya, second paper. So she
Right.
was, what? It's on 28th April.
My God, that is funny.
Is
Uh,
looking at me. Everyone in the class are looking at me. How can I go home with this? You know, I should spend my 3 hours.
yeah. And it's I'm glad it happened like one day before. If it would happen afterwards, like if you
Oh
imagine it to
God.
be 30th April or something, that means you have skipped the paper. You will have a chance to give it again in the next semester. So
Yeah.
that would have been like more risky. At least earlier was like, okay, I can come back on 28th and give my exam. So that's that. Did you tell your family about this that I'm sort of mistaken the day?
I have to. It's
Didn't
early in the
answer.
morning at 7, and there
Oh,
is no taxis and all to go back. So I have to visit my one of my relative, and they are asking why you are here at this time. Oh my God, it was very embarrassing for me.
yeah, that makes sense. Because now you have to tell the reason that I could not remember the date of my exam. And like parents, so they get very angry about this. They're like, yeah, you don't have any focus only. You're not studying these days. They go to the extreme tangent. So that's there. But yeah, I think this has happened with me, but it was like a class test. So I was like
Okay.
saved from the embarrassment. It was not a university test. But I was in class 11th at the time. And in 11th, everyone is skipping school. I mean, nobody's really attending the classes that seriously because 10th has just gotten over. We are in 11th. The marks of 11th don't matter. At least that is what we were told. So everyone was skipping, so nobody really remembered the schedule. And I was there to give like my test paper, and I sat in my class, and teacher came. She's like, "Why are you sitting?" I was like, "I'm sitting for my test." She was like, "What test? Today is no test, beta. Test is tomorrow." And I'm like, "Oh, okay." And then I realized I accidentally like imagined that today is Friday, even though
Okay.
it was Thursday on that day. And then I went back home, and my mom was like, "What happened?" I was like, "Today is not Friday." She's like, "Yeah, today is not Friday. Today is Thursday." I was like, "But I thought it's Friday." And I went to the school for no reason. That day, my class was on mass bunk, so I was the only one who was present there. And
Oh,
I felt so dumb. I was like, "My God, what do I do about this embarrassment?" They made a lot of fun of me afterwards. They
yeah.
still do. They're like, "You're so excited to give tests, you come one day early."